I built my love a network of sluggish speed. I set my love a trace point you could not read. I wrote my love a module that would not load. I changed my true love's passwords on every node. Of what use is a network of sluggish speed? Why bother with a trace point you cannot read? Pray tell me why this module declines to load. How dare you change my password on every node? The network of our loving grows strong and slow. The trace points on our texting no soul should know. A virus-checking module no build test should pass. Some hackers got your passwords. I saved your ass.